Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to extract text from image using a snipping tool in your Windows 11 machine. Now, the first thing what you will have to do is you will have to take an image. For the demonstration purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my system information tool as an example to take a screenshot or take an image. So the first thing what you will do is you will have to open a snipping tool on your computer by typing snipping tool in the search box. You will see the best match for snipping tool. Click on it. Once you have the snipping tool, you will have to choose the image section or snip section and then choose the option which says new. Select the area where you want to copy the text from. So for the demonstration purpose, as I mentioned, I'm going to take this section as an example here. Once the snip is complete, once the screenshot is taken in the snipping tool, you may go ahead and minimize the window and you can expand the window. And then what you could do is you can go ahead and choose the option which says text action. So click on it. Once you click on the text action, the snipping tool will try to analyze and identify the text what is there in the image. Now, if you look at the screen, the text has been highlighted. Now, let's say if you don't want to highlight or copy a particular information from the image, what you could do is you can go ahead and highlight the text here and you can do a right click and then click on redact text. This information will not be copied in your information from the text extraction. Once this is done, you may go ahead and do a right click and then click on select all. You can do a right click, copy text and paste information, and you should have all the information from the image to the respective file or a document from your image. So this is how you can go ahead and extract a text from image using a snipping tool in your computer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.